1-1 pitch coming. That's inside, puts her down. No contact made though, as that's just going to be a ball. So, gave her a little chin music there, Kyle.
Almost. Had to go down in the dirt to avoid that one.
2 balls, 1 strike. Swung on and missed for strike 2. As Kayleigh kind of chased that one. A little bit high and outside. 2-2, bottom of the first, no outs, no runs. Norte shows bunt. And then rips one down the third baseline. It's going to get out to the outfield. Kayleigh's going to round first and make her way to second base. So stand-up double there for Kayleigh Norte. Steps in, runners at the corners, 1 out. Bottom of the 6th. As that's going to be hit out to left field. Not going to get out, but it is going to go off the wall. As 1 run scores, now 2 run scores as Tate rounds third base. And Kayleigh Norte is standing on second with a stand-up double. And 2 RBIs with the big shot out to left field. Kyle, for a minute, I thought it was going to get out of here. But it just bounced off the wall about 2 feet up as the Green Monster.
But you know what? She'll take it.
Kayleigh Norte has been on point tonight. That's her 3rd double, and she's just been crushing it. 1 ball, 1 strike, 1 out. Runner on first base. That's a high hit ball out to left field. It's going to go foul, though. And amazing play. We lost it, but I can tell by the fans that Kayleigh Norte snagged that one. As she got out, we can't see it through the fence. But some amazing effort and some amazing hustle to get over there to get at that one.